Good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, once again, I will teach you how to trade using our MST iCore 2.0 advanced trading system. Why we are telling this advanced trading system? Because here everything is predefined. Where to enter, where to keep the stop loss, where is the target, what should we do if we are in profit, what should we do if we are in loss. Everything is predefined. So when in a trading, when everything is predefined, your emotional will not play any vital role. So that is why we are calling this as an advanced trading system, and in which we will be getting 12 different types of signal. 12 different types of signal. Otherwise, I can say we will get 12 opportunity in a day. 12 opportunities in a day we will get. So I will explain you the content of our indicator. So what and all we are having in this indicator, I will zoom and show you. Okay. So first one is a time frame, then our contact number, then time frame. By default it is 1 day. Then if you want, you can use Heikin-Ashi based calculation. So here only our strategy starts. So here we have first buy entry, first buy target, and first buy SL. Next one, sell zone, first sell entry, first sell targets, and first sell SL. Then second buy zone, here we have second buy entry, second buy targets, and second buy SL. Third, we have second sell zone, second sell entry, second sell targets, and second sell SL. So here we have given the information what to do. Enable this with the default setting if first buy SL hit. Enable this with the default setting when second sell is activated. Enable this when second cell is activated for SL point. For each and every entry, we have given the self-explanatory section. So here we can see weekly buy zone and weekly sell zone. Then monthly buy zone and monthly sell zone. So next we have MST trend zone. It will tell you the trend of the market in a higher time frame. So next we have a MST central pivot zone. So here we have given various options like previous day high, previous day low, previous day close, CPR, top CPR, bottom CPR, today open, Fibonacci support, Fibonacci resistance, then extra targets like first buy target, extra target, first sell target, extra, fourth target, second buy target, fourth target, second sell target, fourth target. So likewise we have given. Second, the next part is SL calculation. So here we have given 4 types of SL calculation. So if the script whatever you are trading, if it is more than 5 digit, you can keep small SL. More than 5 digit or 4 digit, you can use small SL. If it is 3 digit, you can use normal SL. If it is 2 digit, you can use big SL. And if the stock is having no movement, like no for currency will not have that movement, so you can keep big to SL. So whatever you are keeping, if you are keeping small SL, then you have to keep small targets. If you are keeping normal SL, then you have to keep normal SL. If you are keeping big targets, then you have to keep big targets. And if you are keeping big to SL, then you have to keep big to targets. So minimum 1:1 you can book. Otherwise, other thing what you can do, you can keep small SL and you can book for the normal targets, or you can book for the big targets, or you can book for the big two targets, so that your risk reward ratio will be more. This is one. The next one we have given option like moving average. So in a single moving average, so we have given the option either you can choose simple moving average or EMA or WMA, SWMA, VWMA or VWAP. Whichever you want that you can use. We have given 3 different types of moving averages here. That's all. So these are our contents which we are having in our indicator. And if you want to purchase this indicator, the only authorized number is 9500009154. You contact us directly, and if you want to subscribe for our indicator, then you can subscribe. No other contact number we are using. If any person is claiming that they are from MST School of Trading, don't believe them, because many people have started copying like our indicator, because once the product is popularized in the market, so there are many people will come to mimic the same, to copy the same, so that they will get more money easily. Okay, so that is why we have added our number here itself. The only authorized number and the payment number, everything is 9500009154. If you are purchasing from other people, you will not get any support from us. So keep this in mind, and we are not responsible for any kind of such fraudulent purchase. Okay, now let us show you what is our strategy. Our strategy is very simple. So now I have chosen ICICI Bank today because it has given the both the scenario. Suppose if SL hit, what you have to do, if target hit, what you have to do. So both the scenario it has met in ICICI Bank. So that is why I have chosen ICICI Bank for the demonstration. Bank Nifty also same scenario has met today, but the bar replay option is not available for the features. So that is why I have chosen the spot value of the ICICI Bank. So initially what you have to do, come here, go to reset settings. By default you have to reset in the morning every day before you go for the trading. Okay. So next thing, market has opened, these four lines will be formed automatically, and look at the price of the stock, whether it is 3 digit or 4 digit. So if it is a 3 digit, what you can do, go here and select normal SL and normal targets. Okay, as I told you, if it is small 3 digit, select normal SL and normal targets. So now our entry price is ready, exit price is ready, stop loss is ready. Okay, so now it will be looking like this. Market will open anywhere in between this, we don't mind about this. Okay, if market first comes here, we will sell. If first comes down, we will buy. Then we will be enabling our target will be somewhere here. Okay, if target is met, okay, our trading is over. Otherwise, if SL is met here, then here we have to take double lot for the target here. Okay, why two lots? One lot is to recover our loss and one lot is for making the profit for the day. So once again I'm repeating, this statement is very important. Wherever market opens, we don't mind. Wherever market goes, we don't mind. What we have to see, we have to be very clear about our strategy. What our strategy says, it is very clear. If market opened anywhere, no problem. If it comes to this place first, you have to sell. If it is coming down, you have to buy. Then you have to enable the first buy targets and first sell targets. If target hit, no problem, you are enjoying the profit. Suppose if SL hit, then you will be in a loss. Then here you have to take double lot for the target, next target. This second entry should be an advanced trade. While you are placing your first buy, you have to place your second sell. While you are placing for the first sell, then you have to place for the second buy. Once sell activated, immediately you can place the second buy. Once buy activated, immediately you can place the second sell. Whether you are taking double lot or single lot, it is up to you, but same day loss recovery is possible. If both side loss happened, suppose say you have taken sell entry here and it has not given your target and it has met the SL. Here you would have taken the second by two lot, that is double lot. Again it is not going up for our target, again it is coming and hitting our SL. So that day don't trade further, accept the loss, and next day you can recover your loss. So as per this strategy, overall in a month, you will get minimum 20% to 40% returns on your investment. If your investment is 1 lakh rupees, so you will get 20,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees in a month if you are trading with the discipline. After entry, don't book the profit immediately. Wait for either target or SL. Or 50, when you are in 50 percentage of profit, you can revise your stop loss to cost. So that you can do, but don't book 1 rupee profit one day. Don't lose more capital. So don't do such a mistake. So now I show you what happened in the morning. So what happened in the morning? So now I will replay this. I will enable the candles. I will do replaying with the 1 minute itself so that you will see the clear picture of this. See here, now market has opened here. I will make it some slow. I will once again run this bar replay. I will make it slow. The 7th December. Okay. So now market has opened here. See, the lines are slowly getting formed. The lines are slowly getting formed. See here. So now we have to wait. Either it has to reach this portion first or this portion first. So whichever side it opens, that side we have to trade. The other side we have to ignore. Okay. So now our sell entry is 720.70 and buy entry is our second buy 726.55 and first buy 709 and second sell 703. So I will slightly increase the speed. So you could see where the market is moving. Yeah, it is nearing to our first sell entry. Don't hurry, wait for the exact entry. Place the advance order at 720.70, one lot. Then your SL 726.55, 3 lot. See, our sell got activated exactly here. Sell got activated exactly here. So now what you have to do, come to this indicator settings. Since sell activated, you have to remove your buy entry and enable your first sell targets. If you want, you can enable first sell SL, otherwise you can enable the second buy and second buy targets and remove the second sell SL. So now is everything clear? So now what we are expecting, we are expecting that it sell has been activated, market has to fall to 715.05. But it is not in our hand, that we cannot decide where the market should go, but we can predict market where it will go, right? So now I'm running this. So I don't know where the market will go. I am ready for any action. If it is going upside, I will buy. If it is going downside, I will be waiting for the target. So now since sell got activated, I will be placing here 3 lot at the place of 726.55. Why 3 lot? 1 lot is for the SL price and 2 lot is for the reverse entry. Okay, I'm ready. And 1 lot I will be buying here for the target. So I'm ready with the target as well as for the SL and for the reverse entry. So it has given 1 point profit, 1.5, 2 points profit you have got. I'm not talking about the number of shares, how many shares you will be buying, I don't know. So this 2 points profit so far we have got, but we have to wait for either target or SL. We are not going to book in between. Yes. So now our target did not come, but SL hit. So we are already had placed the advanced pending order of 3 lot, 1 lot for the SL and 2 lot for the reverse entry. So now we have got 2 lot at the place of 726.55 Now we have to book the target at 732.25. Okay, the two lots are for one lot for recovering the loss and one lot for the making the profit for the day. So let me show you what happened. Again it is coming down, coming down, coming down. So let us see whether both side SL hit or it has given the target. Coming down, coming down. So if it is coming down again hitting the stop loss, don't worry. Okay. Accept the loss one day and next day you can recover. Market will not go anywhere. Yes, yes, it is going as per our prediction. Target hit. So our reverse entry first target 732.25 exactly hit. Okay. So now we have recovered the loss of the day and we have booked the profit for the day. So rest, if it is going up or down, we don't bother. Our trade got over. So let me quickly run with the increased speed. So what happened in the market today? I think market got closed. No. Yeah. See, it is 12 o'clock. It is almost 11:50. So the market is still running. It has given already first target. Now we are going to see what happened in the market. So it is nearing our second target also, but it has not given the second target yet. 75% it has reached. It is coming down. Don't worry if you are waiting for the second target. Don't worry. Keep with the stop loss, revise stop loss. Once first target is met, your stop loss should be revised to cost to cost. If it is coming down, you will not be in a loss, you will be in a profit only. It is coming down, coming down. So let's see whether it is giving second target or not. Okay. I will increase slightly the speed. Yeah, see here, exactly our second target also met. Though we have revised the stop loss to cost, it is not hitting the stop loss, but it has given the two targets perfectly. Again, it is going up. So let's see whether can we get third target or not. So I have increased the speed. So 50% of third target also hit. Then it is coming down, and market is closed now. So market time got over, but our trading got over at the first target itself, because if first sell SL hit, we have to go for the second buy. If first buy SL hit, we have to go for the second sell. If in first sell itself target hit, enjoy the profit and take rest for the whole day. If first by itself target hit, book the profit and enjoy the day for the whole day. That's all. That's about our indicator. It is very simple. You can keep in any time frame, 1 minute to 15 minutes for the intraday. Any time frame you can keep. It is up to you. So any doubts you can ask in the number given here. And for the reversal point, you can keep weekly sell zone, weekly, monthly sell zone, with or without Heikin. So by default, there is a day time frame without Heikin. Then second opportunity, day time frame with Heikin. Then weekly time frame without Heikin. Then weekly time frame with Heikin. Then monthly time frame without Heikin-Ashi, and monthly time frame with Heikin-Ashi. So any time frame you can follow. By default, 1 day. The keeping in Heikin-Ashi calculation, keeping in weekly calculation, keeping in monthly calculation are extra trades. So as per the indicator, by default, 1 day only that you have to keep. So every day when you are starting to trade, please reset, then you can trade. Don't forget about the stock numbers. If the stock is having 3 digit, keep in 4 normal SL, normal targets. If the digits are 4 plus, keep in small. If the digits are 6 plus, 7 plus, then you can keep in small only. Small SL or safe SL you can keep. So that's all, dears. So we have completed the demonstration part of today. I will explain you from the scratch. From the scratch I have explained to you. So where will be your indicator? Suppose say you have cancelled this indicator by mistake. Don't worry immediately. So go here, go to this part indicator. So here is the indicator FX. So this portion. So I show you. So this portion, go here and click, and you will get our indicator name. So whichever indicator you want, that you can keep. So we have two types. One is 2.0, another one is 3.0. The difference between 2.0 and 3.0 is in 2.0 there will be separate SL. See here, here I have given SL separately. This one, this part. So here I have given SL separately. This one. So here I have given SL separately, but in 3.0 there will be no separate SL. Yeah, see here there is no separate SL. Why I have not kept here separate SL? It is not necessary. Once first buy is activated, by default you will be enabling second sell. You will be ready for the reverse entry. Once first cell is activated, you will be ready with the second buy entry. So there is no need for the keeping separate SL. So instead of keeping separate SL, I have added some volume candle and one super trend. So super trend and today's CPR, monthly CPR, weekly CPR, tomorrow CPR. So everything I have added in the 3.0. By saving 4 lines of stop loss, I have added more features. So if we understand this SL concept, then you can go for 3.0. If you don't understand, then you can simply go with the 2.0. So both are same. There is no need. Only this one line is different in a 2.0. In 3.0, we have removed this separate SL and we have added some extra features. This is 2.0, right? I will add and show you 3.0. So in 3.0 we have added volume candle and super trend. So these both extra features you will get. So in addition to that, what you will get, this MST central pivot point 1. So this MS central pivot point 1 is there in the 2.0 also. So in 3.0 you will be getting MST central pivot point 2 and 3. So in here itself also, here also I have kept first sell SL, first buy SL, second sell SL, second buy SL, previous day close, CPR, today open, first buy targets, first sell targets, everything I have kept here. Then here top CPR, Fibonacci reversal, Camarilla pivot, standard pivot and all I have kept. Then third point, here I have kept bottom CPR, previous day low, Fibonacci support, Camarilla pivots and standard pivots. So whichever you want that you can trade. So all these are based on your understanding. If you don't understand this part, no problem. You just simply get this 2.0 and trade with the default settings. That is enough. So thank you all for having watched our videos. If you have any doubts, please contact us, and you please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It means a lot for us. Also, please encourage all your trading members to subscribe and join our trading community so that they will not lose money from them in the market. They will get profit from the market. Okay. Thank you all. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.